Hey, what's up everybody? This is a sump pump, and I don't know. They're not all made the same, because I had another house and that sump pump had a mouse on it, and what happened was when the water would get high enough, it would raise. The mouse was like a float. They call it a mouse though. The mouse would raise, and once the mouse would raise, it would trigger the sump pump. It was attached to the pump. This one doesn't have a mouse. Yep, and see, now this pipe right here attaches to the sump pump. This pipe here, and that pipe goes out your house. Alright? So that's how a sump pump works. I think this one has a sticky switch. You can see the water in there. That's the switch I'm hitting right there. See that? I think that's the switch. Could be the mouse or the float. But anyway, it's not working. Sometimes. Most of that water comes from a sink. See that pipe right there? That pipe, I have a sink down here. So that's water coming from that sink. That's where that water is coming from. It's cold too. Cold weather affects everything. All houses don't have a sump pump. Sump pump is to stop your basement from flooding. It's very good to have one of these. And this sump pump is on a bed of gravel. This one has a switch right here that I'm trying to hit. I think something's stuck on it. But anyway, that's what a sump pump is for. Kick the water out your basement. Stop your basement from flooding. Alright?